tune in the government wavelength so we can follow what Saxon's doing.
Yeah, I meant about my family.
Still says the Jones family taken into questioning. Tell you what though, they mentioned a Leo.
He's not as daft as he looks. I'm talking about my brother on the run. How did this happen?
Nice chips. Actually, they're not bad.
So, Doctor, who is he? How come the ancient society of Time Lords created a psychopath?
And what is he to you? Like a colleague or...
Friend at first.
Thought you were going to say he was your secret brother or something.
You've been watching too much TV.
But all the legends of Gallifrey made it sound so perfect.
Well, perfect to look at, maybe. And it was. It was beautiful. We used to call it the shining world of the solar system. And on the continent of wild endeavour, in the mountains of solace and solitude, there stood the citadel of the Time Lords. The oldest and most mighty race in the universe. Looking down on the galaxies below. Swore never to interfere. Only to watch. Children of Gallifrey, taken from that family's age of 8, went to the academy. Some say that's where it all began. When he was a child. That's when the Master saw eternity. As a novice, he was taken for initiation. He stood in front of the untempered schism, it's a gap in the fabric of reality, through which can be seen the whole vortex. You stand there, 8 years old, staring at the raw power of time and space, just a child. Some would be inspired. Some would run away. And some would go mad.